Welcome to Dindigul Rock Fort, one of the most fascinating historical landmarks of Tamil Nadu. Located in the heart of Dindigul, this magnificent hill fort stands proudly on a massive rock formation and offers a wonderful combination of history, architecture and natural beauty. Locally known as Dindigul Malai Kadai, the fort has witnessed several important chapters of South Indian history. The fort is known for its strong stone walls, ancient gateways, strategic structures, and impressive rock architecture. Walking through these historic entrances gives visitors a glimpse into the military engineering of earlier centuries. As you climb higher, the surrounding landscape becomes even more beautiful. From the top of the fort, you can enjoy panoramic views of Dindigul City, green agricultural fields, and the hills surrounding the region. The massive rock itself is a remarkable natural feature, while the historic structures built upon it make this place truly special. For history lovers, architecture enthusiasts, and travelers who enjoy scenic destinations, Dindigul Rock Fort is a wonderful place to explore. If you are visiting Dindigul, make sure you add this historic hill fort to your travel itinerary. Dindigul Rock Fort, where history stands on stone, and every step tells a story.